Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 4-hour chart of gold USD in front of us. 4-hour chart is a slower chart. So we will be switching to the hourly chart of gold. So yesterday we were looking for a buy position above 1950. Though gold made a high around 1962, but we were kind of confident that if gold breaks 1950, the buy position would be better, and we got the buy position on gold and it did pretty well. We can see right now that gold is standing at 1978. So this is the current market scenario. You can see here gold set for a second weekly gain on Middle East turmoil. Gold edges higher amid ongoing geopolitical tensions. So this is the market sentiment. And as I have already told you guys yesterday, that market sentiment is bullish right now. So as a result, you should be looking for buy positions on gold. Maybe by next week, the situation may be under control. There may be some recent developments. But as of now, on Friday, the market is still bullish. The gold is bullish because of the ongoing tension. There is no solution yet. As a result, you should be looking for buy positions only. If you're thinking that market will reverse, how far the market will go, market doesn't work like that. If you're thinking that there is a big resistance and market will reverse, whenever fundamentals dominate the market, whenever market sentiment dominates the market, okay, nothing works. The only way to survive, in this market condition is to follow the trend of the market. Right now gold is bullish, so yes, you should be looking for buy positions only. And if you're a swing trader, position trader, if you have a buy position, then be on the trade, nothing to do, because this type of market situation you don't get each and every day. So you have a beautiful trending market, enjoy the ride, nothing to do. You can simply book book partial profit at various levels, but overall you should try to ride the trend of the market, because before this up move we had a big fall. Remember, we had a big fall. Market made a low of around 1812, 1813. Then market gave us a clear-cut indication of a trend reversal. We took a buy around 1820, and then you can see the market is standing at 1978. So ride the trend of the market, nothing to do. And if you are looking for fresh positions in the market, then obviously you should be looking for buy at retracement only. Okay, buy at retracement. So today's retracement level will be around 1951 to 1956. So this is the level where you should be looking for retracement. If market comes down, observe the market around 51, 56 level. Yesterday's resistance will be today's support. Along with that, we also have the 50 moving average. We can look for a buy or support around this area. In case market surprises us with deeper retracement, then we can look for some support around 1933. But I don't think so market will be heading towards 1933, because if you look at the economy calendar, we can see that today we don't have any major news on the USD pair that will bring some correction. Okay, so as a result, we can expect that the same market sentiment will continue. Max to max, we can expect that market will be coming for retracement, and we can go for a fresh entry if you have missed the opportunity, or if you're looking for fresh opportunity. But otherwise, this is a market. This is not a day trader's market. This is a market, okay, where you can take the position and you can sit and relax. And in case market doesn't come for retracement, but just like yesterday, market did not come for retracement. Okay, so if market doesn't come for retracement, you can look for a buy above 1987. If market breaks 1987, then you can go for a buy. But if you see that market is going above 1987 after the US session, or if there is not much volume, you can also avoid, because today is Friday. And in this type of market situation, when we have a tension going on globally, so there may be some developments during the weekend, and there is a fear of gap up or gap down opening on Monday. So there is a fear, so try to avoid after the US session. But yes, if market doesn't come for retracement, just like yesterday, if market goes for a breakout, you can also look for a buy above 1987, because market will be heading towards 2000, not 2000, more than 2000 level. The reason of not recommending, okay, not recommending direct buy above 1987 is that because see my reference, right now market is standing here. And what is the market structure? Market structure is like this. So market is standing at the top right now. So eventually market will be coming down because no market goes up in a straight line. No market goes down in a straight line. So if you take a buy position here, and when market will be coming for retracement, you will panic, isn't it? So your risk to reward ratio is not much in your favor right now. So as a result, taking a buy position in this particular portion of the market is not a very good decision. And if I zoom out, you can see the market is also standing at a resistance level. But market sentiment is bullish, so I will not recommend any sell position. If you're an experienced trader, if you want to take a sell position from your own experience, that's a different thing. But otherwise, I will not recommend it. I will just simply say to respect the trend of the market, let the market come for retracement, and you can go for a buy if you see the market is bouncing. And in case market doesn't come for retracement, let the market cross the resistance at the breakout. Also, you can look for a buy position. But today is Friday, so you need to be a little bit careful. Probably you have heard me saying many times that Monday mornings and Friday evenings are dangerous. So yes, and this is very, very true. And right now, I don't have any position on gold because the buy position of 1820 okay did pretty well because when I went for the vacation, I uninstalled TradingView MT5, so I exited around 1940. And honestly speaking, I thought that I only had one buy. Actually, I had two buys, so they did pretty well. So right now, I'm not in a rush. They made good profit. Yesterday also, I took a small trade. Okay, it did also pretty well. So right now, I'm not in a position right now. And to be honest, I will not be taking any trades today because, okay, I'm happy. Yeah, I'm happy. But and those in a buy position, I believe that you are also happy. But if you are on a sell position, then please be careful and try to exit at retracement, because in this type of market situation, taking a sell or sitting on a sell position is high risk. So you should try to avoid it, because nobody knows right now, nobody can predict the market right now. Nobody knows, okay, how far the market will go. Maybe we will get to see a big drop on Monday, maybe we'll get to see a big gap up and market flying again on Monday. Nobody knows. Okay, so you need to be careful with your sell positions. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow, have fun and happy Navratri. Okay, and Kolkata, I'm in Kolkata, I am from Kolkata. No, I am from Assam, I stay in Kolkata, I'm settled in Kolkata. Okay, Kolkata is right now busy with Durga Puja. I'm also busy with Durga Puja. So that's it. Bye bye, take care.